At Fisher, we provide services that others can't or won't provide, like superior plan and investment guidance. From do it for me to do it myself, Fisher offers a wide variety of investment solutions to meet the needs of plan participants. For those who prefer a hands-off approach and do not want to be involved in the selection and management of their investments, Fisher will implement an investment plan based on each participant's age. For those looking for a guided approach to investment selection, Fisher will provide ongoing asset allocation guidance to support participants in their investment management. For experienced investors who prefer to develop their own plan, Fisher will provide an education-based approach to help participants create their investment plan. For sophisticated investors who have the knowledge and time to dedicate to research or are working with a personal investment advisor, Fisher can support a self-directed brokerage account with over 16,000 funds and stocks to choose from. No matter what investment solution you choose, Fisher is with you every step of the way.